back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kwadresha Umbashavanzila Shankangatela Rijeni. Nimduamba Menanchabichumti Chavala Maika. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your friends on all of your social media platforms. I'd really appreciate it. As you can see by the title of the video, today I'm showing you guys how to halo cut crease.
So I'm first going to start off by basing my eyelid using an eyeshadow base from Essence, as I usually do, and then take my beauty blender, blend it out on my eye until everything is blended and looks nice. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using. I will be using the orange color, and I'll also be using the red color. So I'll start off first by putting on the orange in between my eyelid, in the middle of my eyelid. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna continue tapping it on, creating a line. I wouldn't really say a circle, but half of an eclipse. So it takes time, of course, to create that blended color. So now I'm going to go in with my yellow color. I'm just going to blend it right after the orange color, so it blends in smoothly and create this amazing emperor look, like when the sun sets. You know, it creates this beautiful orange and yellow look, which looks similar to when the sun sets. So I'll just take my time and blend it out. You can use a fluffy brush for this one because you're blending at the tip of your eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with my pink color right below the orange color, so it continues to create that beautiful emperor look. So I'm just going to blend it in, blend it throughout. You know, take your time to blend it in, so it creates that amazing look. So when you cut, it's just right below the orange color. So when you cut your crease, it shows those three blended colors. So now I'm going to go in with my brown color right below the pink color. I'm going to use the shades from Essence, not from the palette that I had. So I'm going to use the darkest brown color right beneath the pink color. So also this one I wanted to show when I'm cutting crease, so it just puts on that beautiful dark color. So when you do halo cut crease, you cut only in the middle part of your eye. So I'm just going to make sure that when I cut the crease, it still shows the brown color right below the brown color. That's where I'm going to cut my crease. So when you cut crease, you cut it towards the end of both your eyes, but you don't cut it until the end of your eye. So it's just the middle part that gets to the concealer or the eyeshadow base when you cut in crease. Please note that this was my first time doing halo cut crease, so we are both learning from this video. So now I'm going to take in the brown color that I used the last to blend it towards my cut crease, and make sure that it creates that amazing blend between the concealer and the brown color. So you can use the orange color if you want, but I chose to use the brown color. So I'm going to use gold right in the middle. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner to line out my eye after I'm done putting on the gold in the middle, and I'm going to wing the eye to the end just to make my eye pop when I put on the artificial eyelashes.
So I'm not done cutting the halo crease, and also I made my artificial this is the final look. I am done with cutting her look crease. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share it with your friends on all of your social media platforms. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.